Shrien Dewani disembarks at Cape Town International Airport. Securing his extradition from the UK has taken almost 4 years and hasn't come cheap. The South African government has forked out almost 3 million rand to ensure he arrives in the country. Dewani arrived in a private chartered plane from his hometown Bristol, along with South African medical and law enforcement authorities. He was also ferried to court in a tinted windowed convoy.
It was imperative for the South African government to ensure that we do all that is in our power, incur this expense, to ensure that the medical condition that he suffers from, which is confirmed by the UK court, is not compromised, by ensuring that the road to recovery, which is the responsibility of the South African government, to also make sure that eventually he stands trial, is not compromised. So that is what informed the decision to charter a plane instead of a commercial flight.
A single one-way ticket on either South African Airways or British Airways would have cost government on average between 17 and 26,000 rand economy class. For a business class seat, that figure reaches well into 70,000 rand. The South African government is at pains to stress that the exorbitant cost incurred during this extradition process was necessary, and that because of Dewani's alleged frail mental state, government has to do everything in its power to secure his well-being and safety.
It took us 3 taxing and protracted process to get him here. We can't take chances. We don't want to risk anything when it comes to Mr. Dewani. We had to make sure that he has this day in a South African court, and we've done that. We understand and appreciate the concerns that the South African has on the amount itself.
MAGA has also rubbished claims that Dewani's family was on board the chartered flight. Dewani is said to be suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder and depression. He faces 5 charges, including murder and kidnapping, and is currently undergoing a 30-day treatment and observation period at Cape Town's Valkenburg Psychiatric Hospital. He next appears in court on May the 12th. Leanne Jansen, Cape Town.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com